Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to duplicate your items in Oblivion Remastered on your PC. So what you're going to do firstly is to run and find either a crate or a chest, and then just click on E as you can see, and then click on F on your keyboard to be able to see your items as well. Now what you're going to do in here is to select the item that you want to be able to duplicate. So let's say that I want to be able to duplicate this pumpkin right here as an example. Let's say that I want like maybe 2 or whatever of this pumpkin right here, or even more, then, or even 5. Then what you have to do is to take, for example, this silver arrow right here, drag it, and it will say how many will you add. Let's say we want to be able to add 5, so we can have 5 of this pumpkin, so we can duplicate them basically. You're going to now click on continue 2 times really quickly. Just do so. And I'm just going to go back and see where is the... Oh, as you can see, I have 5 pumpkins now. So I can actually continue. Let's just add 1 of those pumpkins right here. And then take, for example, 38. Let's say I want 38 more of those, right? Oh, sorry, it actually disappeared. Or, I don't know. Oh, yeah, here it is. So perfect. Here's a pumpkin. So now what I'm going to do is to take 38 iron arrow and do the same thing. Just double tap quickly. As you can see, my iron arrow is also back, so you don't lose it, just so you know. And now I have 42 of pumpkins, as you can see. So this is basically exactly how to do this.